Lake expeditions bring students and teachers on voyages of discovery and science to learn with scientists about how the world works and what we can do to better protect it.
So it's always great to be out doing the work like this with new enthusiastic students. They're incredibly enthusiastic. They know that this is really important. They know it's going to shape their entire lives. This issue of climate change, this issue of environmental challenges, biodiversity loss, all of those things they know are going to shape their lives, and they're really, really engaged in it.
The biggest takeaway throughout this flag expedition has been the hard mahi that the scientists are working on behind the scenes, and how often it goes unheard of, but how when we value and understand the scientific material, we're able to bring it back at a socio-scientific level and bring it within to our community so that we're able to understand just how much mahi we need to do in order to meet their needs.